Do you want to earn money while people are just clicking on the link that you send them to? It sounds too good to be true. I'm gonna show you how this works on the video, but before we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and this is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, hit that button that says subscribe right there. It takes you a second. Thank you very much. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about a very simple way you guys can earn cash today. And it's worldwide. You can actually do this all over the world and they will deposit the money directly into your PayPal account. Hey, can't get any better than that. You can use those earnings and actually buy other products or maybe upgrade some of the products that you want so you can create the business that you want. Okay, so we're gonna jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are on my computer and I'm gonna show you quick how this actually works. Now, there's 3 websites that you actually can use. One of them is AdFly, and as you can see, I signed up for them because I wanted to see exactly how this works. There's another one that is called shrinkcarn.com. You can see right here, you can actually see the URL link, and the other one is Shortfly. It's a best URL shortening. So I'm gonna show you quick how this actually works. And as you can see, they're all 3 work the same way. So basically what you can do is a complete free tool. So you gotta sign up for free. You go right here and you go and sign up. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna create your account, right? And then you can start earning in just 3 steps. You create your account, you create a link and post it. For every visit you earn money. That sounds easy, right? Very, very easy. This is where you can actually make good money. Now this is specific website tells you you're required to earn only $10 before you actually can get paid, and it will be sent directly to your PayPal account. So you have to have a PayPal account. Let's see the payout rates. As you can see, the publisher rates all over the world. Greenland, I don't know what that is. Iceland, Netherlands, the United States is 10, 21, and you earn per 1,000 views. So if 1,000 people click on your links, you can earn 21, 14, 12. If they do it from the desktop, if they do it from a mobile device, you can actually earn the same. Singapore, France, Italy, Spain. So as you can see, this shortfly.com, you sign up and you will take, and then we're gonna go to the home page. All right, so this is how this works. On the first one, we gotta go to Shrinking, and it's the same thing, and the publisher rates right here, as you can see, they basically are the same, because I want you to understand one thing. When they release a website and it's actually making money and working, there's gonna be other ones that are gonna be releasing. Now this one's a little different. As you can see, the prices are totally different and earnings per 1,000 views. And the reason why I'm giving you 3 is because I want you to understand that everyone is different, but they work exactly the same. So you get $9 on a desktop and $9 on a mobile or tablet. So the prices are a little bit lower than Shortfly. And then we're gonna go to the last one, which is AdFly. So we are gonna go into AdFly, unique average amount paid. Now I want you to see that there actually are paying on this website. So on this website, which is the one I signed up for, you can see that you got in the United States, highest paid $195.61. The unique click per rate is 1922. On desktop, raw is about 611 that you can actually make, and the mobile CPM is 1029 as of November 21st of 2019. So as you can see, look at the list of the countries: Portugal, Estonia, Greece, Italy, Congo, Malaysia, South Africa, Virgin Islands, the US. You got Zambia, Oman, Mali, Vietnam. This is worldwide, guys. You can do this, and I'm gonna show you. You're an affiliate for GetResponse. You copy your link, right? You got copy, and then we're gonna go to the first one, and then you're gonna paste the link. So as you can see, you are gonna get it right here, and when you click, you know, the way they're gonna give you the link is you actually have to have an account with it, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. This is AdFly. As you can see, I tried this today, right? And so far, I tried the links, and I've been earning 0.001889 links in total earnings. How's that possible? I actually, you see, visitors 1, CPM 1889, and this is the link that I did. I actually took my GetResponse link, I copy it, and I took it to AdFly, and then I took it right here, I copy it, I pasted it, and then I shrink it, and then the link that I got is the one right here. As you can see, sigor.com/3dbw, and then I tried it on incognito. So as you can see right here, it shows you my earnings, 1 visitor and 3 views, because they're actually getting they're getting your IP address from the computer, so they will know that is you because you're using the same computer. So this is one of the tricks, guys. You're gonna take this link, and I just wanted to try it so you guys can see that this is legit and they will pay you. As you can see, this is AdFly. It says pay for real visitors on your websites or competitive fraud filters ensure high quality traffic. Campaign starts at only $5. So as you can see right now, so far they have paid over the links that have been clicked are 4,086,453 and counting. The user registered, they have over 5 million users that are getting paid with PayPal on their accounts. They have a forum right here, and the only reason why I did it on the incognito is because I show you guys I already have an account, and I show you that I'm getting that. So now we're gonna go into the strategy. You're gonna take your link and you're gonna copy it, and then you're gonna get your link that is shortened, right? And then you're gonna go, and for example, you're gonna click on this, you're gonna copy it, and you remember that one of the places that I told you that you can do this, you go to YouTube, for example, right? It's like many strategies, but I want you to understand that it's very, very simple. So you can go into email marketing, okay? And then you're gonna go email marketing 2019. Here's what's working, what's not. You click on the video, and you're gonna read some of the comments. Let's pause that. So then you're gonna go into the comment section, and I'm not gonna post it because this is not my real account, but you can do something like, I believe that starting your email list is critical. I used a very simple email software. Call get response, and if you want to check it out, they have a 30-day free trial. And then you're gonna go and paste the link, as you can see, and then you put in the comment. Like I say, I'm not gonna comment on that because I don't want to use that account for it, but you get the idea. So people will come, they will see, and as you can look at the video, they got 64,284 views since January 15, 2019. The last comment was 1 day ago, 2 months ago, 1 month ago. So you want to find videos that people are engaging with email marketing, if that's, you know, the one link you want to do. Now there's other places that you can do this, but like I show you in a previous video about Quora, you go and answer questions about email marketing, and you can answer the question, email marketing, what are some email marketing tips and tricks? Okay, then you go over there and then you post your answer, and when you answer, you go and paste your link. So what's gonna happen is they are gonna go and click on this, and the way it works is like they're gonna see the AdFly advertisements first, and it's gonna time out for about 6 to 7 seconds, and then it's gonna send them to the actual link. But it doesn't matter if they don't actually purchase, you are getting paid no matter what, because they already check on your link. So very simple, guys. You're not gonna make tons of money right off the bat because you need like 1,000 views on the clicks, but it's something that, let's say you take an affiliate link for any of the products, even if they don't purchase from your products, you're still getting paid for people to actually click on the link. And one of the things you can do is you can just go and get a blog post, get the URL from the blog post, shorten it in this softwares, and then go share it with somebody else and say, hey, listen, you know what, I found this very incredible blog post, and I know it's gonna help you in whatever problem that you have. Also give a little bit of value, leave that link over there, have them click on it, use your affiliate links, because even if they don't purchase, you're still getting the clicks, getting the views, and make sure that there's engagement on questions like Quora and videos on YouTube, and you can actually do it in forums. So you can put these links all over the place, and this is just a strategy for you guys to make a little bit of extra cash. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video, guys, that go and sign up with one of them and try it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with just give it a try. I hope that you find a lot of value in this video, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that link that in the description that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button. Leave me comments in the comment section, so if you like this video, share my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.